For today's video po ay magdudu treatment tayo sa buhok ni Madam. I-apply po natin ang Alpha Plus Skin Streak Treatment by Alpha Corp and Euceratin Treatment by Yogi Care. Ang history ng hair ni Ma'am is recently colored siya. As you can see, super dry and damaged ang hair niya dahil sa paulit-ulit na kulay na sinuffer ng buhok niya. And kailangan pong malagyan ng booster ang buhok niya dahil nagkukulang na po sa nutrients. So as we proceed, una namin in-apply dyan ang Alpha Plus Skin Streak Treatment by Alpha 8 Corp. Hinayaan lang po namin magstay ang gamot for about 45 minutes and in-apply po namin yan ng towel dry po. Then after that, binanlawan lang po namin ng tubig ang buhok ni Madam, and then we proceeded to the Euceratin treatment by Yogi Care application. So hinayaan din namin for about 45 minutes para po pumasok yung gamot sa cuticle hair ni Madam. Then blow dry na po and paper thin iron po ang ginawa namin dyan. And here is the final looks of Alpha Plus Skin Streak Treatment by Alpha 8 Corp and duo of Euceratin Treatment by Yogi Care. Di ba po? Ang ganda-ganda. Bouncing ang effect ng hair ni Madam. Very smooth and shiny po yan. Yan. Yan o, nagbabounce po siya. Napakagandang combination po talaga ng dalawang premium brand treatment namin. Thank you for watching.